Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Megan Selena. Ngayon guys, mag-unbox ako ng gift from my sister. It's an advanced Christmas gift. So, pakikita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura. Okay? I'll see you later guys, okay? Na natin yung gift. Amazon. Ayan, galing siyang Amazon. Ayan. Okay, so bubutasan na natin yung plastic. Ito na lang. Wait lang. Gift sa akin ng sister ko. It's a neck and foot massager, I think. No. It's a foot massager. Galing siya ng brand niya is Neck Tech Massage. So, ayan. So, titingnan natin guys sa loob. What does it look like? Okay? So, binuksan ko na siya kasi mahirapan ako. So, ito yung guys. Ito siya. Wow. Very nice. Ganda naman. Kasi actually guys, tagal ko nang gustong bumili ito. Kasi from after my work at night, nahirapan yung pa ako. So, sabi ko, I wanna buy one. And then, my decided to bought a foot massager for me for Christmas. So, yeah. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. So, ganda. So, meron siyang cord. Try natin kung mag-okay siya. Okay? I'll be back. So, itry natin. Ipasok natin ang ating mga paa. Oh my gosh, wait. I have to stop first. Katakot. Try natin yung 1 feet lang. Oh, feels good. Okay. Thank you, sister. This one. Pinakita ko na sa inyo it's working. And of course, tayo magpapaalam na. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan, maganda yung foot massager na regalo sa akin ng kapatid ko. It's advanced early Christmas present. So I hope you're gonna like and subscribe to my channel. It's Megan Selena. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time, okay?